My name is Edith Fernandez,
Yeah.
and I'm a play license coach. So what Angelis is doing is an excellent thing. Uh, having this type of tournaments and which gives young players to compete and to get better and to know where they stand. We need to have more people like Angelis, where we can have more tournaments like this and to encourage the Goan culture of football. And I hope more people get out and organize this type of tournaments and uh, bring the Goan football where it is to be once upon a time. And hopefully soon we will see those days.